Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your US Trading Mentor's free trading video for Tuesday, October 11th, 2011. Today we had a total of 8 executable trade signals for a max potential of 55 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed from our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning and we were within a what we could consider a high probability gap opening. We opened up at 1183.25. We immediately went into a signal long entry and we were playing towards the half gap. The market started moving that way, and unfortunately for us, it did a little shakeout here right as it was taken off. When we adjust our stop entry, ended up taking us out of our second contract for a T1 minus 2 on that particular move, only for what would ultimately, you can see here, went up and filled its half gap before 10 o'clock, just after 9:45. So anyway, that first move up was a T1 minus 2, and the market was just kind of chopping back and forth. We were kind of in a tight little range pattern, came down through our moving average, actually gave a reset, and on this pull back to the moving average right here, we actually had a signal to get long, and the thing just ran right over us. T0 minus 14, and again, we were expecting it to move up to the half gap, so there were some folks in the room that laid off of that trade, but if you were taking every signal, you would have been in it, and it would have been a full stop out. And then on that stop out move, that set up an extension. You can see the speed of that move. That set up an extension to the long side. That extension entry did ultimately hit its target 1 and target 2 for 8 ticks. So right before 10 o'clock, there was actually 3 setups, and 2 of them, one was a partial stop out, one was a full stop out, and one was a full target. Then came the 10 o'clock reversal time frame. We came back down through our moving average, had a signal to get short. That one did make it down to hit its target. Had a couple of candles here that hit it to the tick T2 plus 7. The market then pushed back up, and you can see we were just kind of in this range, and then ultimately we broke out to the upside and created a larger range in the afternoon we were in. But on this upswing, it pushed away from our moving average, came back, gave a signal entry. Targets 1 and targets 2 were hit for 14 ticks, and then we pushed up and made some highs of the day right around the 10:45 confirmation time, and then we started getting into these large swings back and forth. Coming off that confirmation period, we did cut through our moving average, pulled right back to it, gave a signal entry short, targets 1 and targets 2 for 11 ticks to the downside, and then we hit our lunchtime dead zone. The area on your chart you're seeing now, this red area, that is our lunchtime dead zone. Sorry for that little interruption there. Anyway, that is the lunchtime dead zone, and we do not initiate any new trades. We usually let that just come and pass, and then we start looking again after 1:15. You can see we came up to our lunchtime reversal period, right on cue. It did reverse, started pushing to the downside. A couple of signals in there. It wasn't until after 1:15 we had our next signal long, had a nice full swing entry, targets 1 and targets 2 for a large 17 tick profit target, and then it came down through our moving average, gave a nice signal entry to the south side at the 2:30 reversal time, which also hit its targets 1 and targets 2 for 14 ticks. So it ended up just being a fantastic day. Rough start, T1 minus 2, and then a full stop out T0 minus 14. But after that, the next 6 trades, we really got things rolling. 8 trades for 55 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.